you seen a leafy sea dragon? These incredible sea creatures look like floating seaweed. Found off Australia's southern coast, they're closely related to seahorses but have delicate leaf-like fins that help them blend perfectly with underwater plants. What's wild? They're masters of camouflage, so good, predators often can't spot them. And like seahorses, the males carry the eggs until they hatch. Leafy sea dragons don't even swim fast. They just drift. Looking like part of the ocean floor, isn't nature's design amazing? Drop A if you'd love to see one up close.